Hi Sparkles, welcome back. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Stephanie N and you're highly welcome. After keeping my hair in braids for 2 months, this is my full 4C hair wash day routine for extreme length retention, from shampooing to deep conditioning to moisture sealing. Because if you don't wash your hair properly after a long protective style, you can lose all that growth real quick. So since I already did my flaxseed gel pre-poo and scalp scrub, I need to be extra gentle but also very thorough. I've linked the videos in the description below so you can check them later. I start by rinsing my hair with warm water. This helps to melt down the flaxseed gel and dissolve the scrub completely. I focus on my scalp and let the water run through my hair gently. Then I go in with my sulfate-free shampoo. I'm using Elan shampoo. I just started using it recently and I really like it because it focuses on both scalp and hair health. I usually shampoo twice, but for the first wash, I focus on the scalp. I gently massage my scalp with the pads of my fingers. Then I rinse again with warm water. I'm going for a second shampoo. This time, I unravel my twist first. Then I massage my scalp and fully wash my hair in a downward motion to avoid tangling and breakage. Then I rinse everything out with warm water. Next, I dry my hair with a soft cloth, not completely dry, just damp. Now for deep conditioning, I'm using my Elabella deep conditioner and I apply it on my hair strands only. On a normal day, I apply it on my scalp too because it's also made for scalp care, but I'm skipping it today because it's highly mentholated and I exfoliated my scalp, so my scalp feels everything in surplus and I'm not going to risk it. So I work in sections. I apply the product on my hair strands and massage it so that the product really penetrates into the hair shaft. Then I go in with my white tooth comb, starting from the tips to the mid-length to the roots of my hair. This helps to fully detangle and evenly distribute the conditioner so every strand gets nourished. Then I repeat the same process for the rest of my hair. It's okay to finger detangle before going in with the comb for easier detangling. Deep conditioning is a step you don't want to miss because it's the only way to deeply hydrate your coils and prevent them from turning brittle. It provides the sleep you need for easier detangling, boosts elasticity to stop breakage, and is the secret to actually retaining length. So I'm done detangling my entire hair. Next, I cover my hair with a shower cap. Then I use the hot towel method. This helps the nutrients from the deep conditioner to actually penetrate my low porosity hair. I leave this on for about 30 minutes while reheating the towel when it gets cold. Lol, why am I in my dancing spirit? Please sparkles, subscribe to the channel so you can keep lighting up my day. After 30 minutes, I rinse everything out with cold water. Can you imagine? It's now that I'm shooting this video that the water from the shower wants to finish. I pray it stays longer till I'm done using it. Thank God the water listened. So, I'm done with the entire washing and look at how clean my hair strands and scalp are. So refreshing. Next, I slightly dry my hair again with a soft cloth. You can use a microfiber towel if you have one. I don't have it yet, so this works just fine. And this is the amount of hair I lost. Pretty small to me. And that's because I made sure to pre-poo my hair before washing for maximum length retention. Oh, I forgot to use my herbal tea rinse as a final rinse. I'll just transfer it into my spray bottle and apply it to my scalp alone because I've already dried my hair. Like partially dried, damped my hair. So yeah, this tea is made with rosemary and thyme, which helps to boost hair growth and add shine to the hair. If you're curious about how I made it, I've dropped the video link in the description, so you can check it out later. Now that my hair is damp, I part it into sections and start moisturizing using the LCO method. So I go in with this Mediana leave-in conditioner. I take a small amount like this and massage it into each section. This time I finger detangle as I've already done the major detangling in the bathroom. Then I follow up with a cream, which is my DIY whipped shea butter. I'm excited because I made a bigger one this time and I added something new to it, which is moringa powder. This is the video where I made the first whipped shea butter, and this video is where I showed how I applied the butter in my wash day routine. You can check them out later on my channel. So I take a small amount. Oh, that seems quite much of it. I had to reduce a little. I have low porosity hair, so a minimal amount works perfectly. And then I apply it on my hair strands only. Please avoid putting leave-in conditioners and butters on your scalp because they can clog your pores and affect hair growth. I massage the butter into each section. Then I also finger detangle to evenly distribute the product to my hair strands. Lastly, I braid the section loosely, not tight, so that my scalp can breathe after all this stress, all in the name of washing and moisturizing. Since I have low porosity hair, I don't like to overload my hair strands with too many products. So you can use butter only or mix a small amount of butter and oil on your hair strands, whatever works for you. But if you have high porosity hair, your cuticles are more open, so you benefit more from the LOC method. Please don't skip steps. Your hair needs that extra moisture. After moisturizing all sections, Please pretend like you're not seeing that antenna at my back. So I apply my DIY hair growth oil to my scalp only. As I'm applying it, I'm also massaging my hair as well. Then I take some amount of my shea butter and apply it to my edges to make them fuller. This routine keeps my hair moisturized for days, and when I say days, I mean up to a full week. Please note, if you exfoliated your scalp using scalp scrub, don't use scalp massager, and also avoid any mentholated oil or cream on your scalp. Your scalp pores are cleared and open, so adding menthol will make you feel it in surplus, which I will avoid that if I were you. And I'm done moisturizing my hair. This is the amount of hair I lost now. So small, I must say I retained lots of length thanks to this routine. And now I'm just covering my hair with a silk scarf for moisture retention. Plus my body is telling me to get a nap. If you want to see the full process from how I took down my braids, to pre-poo with flaxseed gel, to everything I've done in this routine, check out my 4C hair reset playlist video that I've placed at the end of this one. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. It will help you in the long run. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more hair care videos like this. Bye sparkles!